When you put the tool holder into the seat, make sure you do it right. It should be like this. See? This level is the correct level to let the tool seat to hold the tool holder in this way. And before you put it into the tool seat, you should make sure this nut is tightly enough. How to make it tight? You can put it onto the spindle and use these spanners to make it tight as possible. If the tool is not tight enough, it will be extremely dangerous. So make sure you are strong enough to use this spanner to make the to make it tight enough. Okay. And make sure the tools you set are all correct. You see the spindle is holding the T1. And make sure now the T1 seat is empty. If we put another one into a wrong position to the T1, so when it's changing tools, something will be damaged, and you won't want that to happen. And when the machine is on, and you set the panel to the manual mode, job is enabled, and we can take off the tool holder manually. Holding this and press this button, so it's off. If you want to put it on, insert it, hold it, and press again. See? It's tight again.